Hey, good morning and happy Tuesday, or actually it's Wednesday in February 2024, and I just wanted to provide you with a quick tech tip. I don't know if this happens to you, but oftentimes I'm trying to reconcile my accounts and I notice an Amazon charge and I can't remember what it is, and I go in and look at my previous purchases and nothing matches as far as the payment is concerned. I figured out a way to handle this. You can do this online or you can do this on your phone. I'll do a short with the phone after this, but here's what you do. So you go to your Amazon account and you go up here and you go to accounts, then you go down to payments, and then you go over to transactions. And each one of these numbers will definitely match what it is that's showing up on your bill. And if you click on one of them, you'll see this is what it is, and you can categorize it properly. Hope this helps. I'm going to do one for Apple next, and you guys have a good day. Bye.